Hi guys, I'm Chef, a student of USTJC, and with my co-member Neil and Remy. This video presentation will be tackled about how RIP version 1 and RIP version 2 will be configured and what are the features within this version. Routing Information Protocol is a special type of protocol also known as routing protocol, or the main purpose of all those routing protocols to provide the needs of communication between different networks so that we can change information and how to find the best path to the given destination. But before we learn about how to configure RIP, we will have to talk about what kind of features or what kind of version we will use when we configure a RIP. The two types of routing information protocol, the RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. What is RIP version 1? RIP version 1 is a classical distance vectors routing protocol, where routing updates are broadcast to share routing information. These updates are periodic in nature, occurring by default every 30 seconds. To prevent packet from circling around a loop, both versions of RIP solve counting to infinity by placing a hop count limit of 15 hops on packets. The disadvantage of RIP version 1. Understand the shortest route. Broadcast every 30 seconds. Distance are based on hops. Patch with split horizontal. Poison's reverse. Hold down timer. The last is triggered updates. And for now on, we will discuss what is RIP version 2. RIP version 2 is a class distance vectors routing protocol, an enhancement of route into RIP, and it's based on RIP version 1, or it is commonly called hybrid protocol. RIP version 2 uses multicast instead of broadcast, or support triggered updates when a change occurs. Advantage of RIP version 2. Standardized protocol. VLSM compliant. VLSM compliant is a variable length subnet mask. It is a sequence of numbers of variable lengths that streamlines routing within the subnet. Provides fast convergence. Snapshot routing. Disadvantage of RIP version 2. First is maximum hop count of 15. Second, no concept of neighbors. Similarities between RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. Use of timer to prevent routing loops. Use of split horizon. Use of triggered update. And the last is maximum hop count of 15. And now, let's start the configuration of routing information protocol and how it is being used.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to configure routing information protocol. First, assign IP address on each PC. The IP address of PC1 is 192.168.20.2. Then default gateway is 192.168.20.1. And the last PC is 192.168.30.2. Default gateway is 192.168.30.1. And now, configure that router fast internet 0/0. Type no, double enter, enable, configure terminal, then interface, fast ethernet 0/0. Then wrong spelling. IP address 192.168.10.1. 10.1 is the first usable host IP ad. Then next is the subnet /24. Then type no shutdown or simply no shut to on the port, then exit. On the router 3, fast internet 0/0, type again no, double enter, enable, configure, terminal, then interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, then the IP ad, the IP address 192.168.20.1. remember that one is the first usable host in the PC. 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown and exit. Then the last PC, configure in router 3, router 0, no. Type no, enable, configure, then interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, then the IP ad at 192.168.30.1, 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown, then exit. After configure the fast internet, we must configure serial port on each router. And now, we will connect the router 1 and router 3 using serial 0 and serial 0/1. Double enter, enable, configure, terminal, then interface serial 0/0, then those shoe controllers the serial 0/0 if it is clock rate or not. Here, clock rate, then escape and clock rate, $64,000 for real time. IP address, that is 10.10.10.1, 255.255.255.252. 252 is the /30 subnetting, then no shutdown and exit. Then the router 3, double enter, enable and configure terminal and interface serial 0/1 and those shoe controllers serial 0/1, then there's no clock rate, then escape, then clock rate, automatic IP address configure 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.252 and no shutdown, then exit. Let's check if it is connected. Then we're going to connect router 3 to router 0. Interface serial 0/0, then low shoe controllers, serial 0/0, then clock rate 64,000, then the IP address is 20.20.20.1 255.255.252, then no shutdown and exit. Then on router 0, enter, enable, again configure terminal and interface the serial number, interface serial 0/1, the IP address, do show controllers serial 0/1, then IP address 20.20.20.2 255.255.255.252, then no shutdown and exit. Next we connect is the router 0 and router 1. Type interface serial number 0/0, then IP address 30.30.30.1 255.255.255.252, then show the controllers, those show controllers serial 0/0, then clock rate 64,000, then no shutdown and exit. On router 1, enter, back again to enable, configure terminal, then interface the serial number 0/1, then IP address that is 30.30.30.2 255.255.255.252, then show the controllers, serial 0/1, then clock rate no, then no shutdown and exit. Lastly, we will go into input show IP route to make execution in RIP routing. Type router RIP. Version 1 is already default. Then version 2 is not. Then network, that is directly connected, just like this. 10.10.10.0. Then the other network, 30.30.30.0, and next network 192.168.10.0. Then type no to summary to avoid summarization. Then exit.
The same as
Router RIP again in router 3, and we must do the same again in router 1. Configure terminal, then do show IP route, then router RIP version 2, then network 10.10.10.0, then network 20.20.20.0, then network 192.168.20.0, and no to summary. One and 2.168.20.0. No to summary. Exit. Then let's check if connected na. Do show IP route. The R means RIP routing. Lastly, in router 0, enable then do show IP route, then router RIP version 2 or version 1, then network 20.20.20.0, then network 30.30.30.0, then network 192.168.30.0, then now auto summary. Then exit. To finalize, do show IP route. Okay, they are connected. The R RIP. Then let's check. Successful. I failed. For the first time, it is failed, then successful, and the second time. If we want to view the simulation, just add capture and play. And that's all in configure.
That's the end of our tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and God bless.